Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a zinc install video for Knotty Desires. We installed 4 1 1/4 inch shaft zincs, 2 R3 trim tab zincs, and we got a transom zinc over here. Let's go ahead and check them out. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.